from the same legacy that shaped beloved icons like Chimes and the Fullerton Hotel. Emerges a bold new landmark for the future, Golden Mile, Singapore. Thoughtfully reimagined as a vibrant mixed-use development, Aurea and the Golden Mile redefine what it means to live, work and play in the heart of a transforming neighborhood. Strategically located, the development offers immediate access to shopping, dining and recreation, while placing you just 7 minutes from the CBD, bringing convenience to both residents and businesses. This is a neighborhood at the cusp of tremendous growth, surrounded by major rejuvenations, from the Kallang transformation, Kallang River revitalization, Ophir Rochelle corridor, to the Beach Road urban corridor and more. At the Kallang, a new sports and lifestyle hub is taking shape, with year-round activities and events that inject energy and footfall into the district, enhancing vibrancy and desirability for residents and businesses alike. Along the Kallang River, a 3-kilometer waterfront is transforming into a picturesque spine of new homes, commercial offerings and recreation spaces. The future redevelopment of Old Kallang Airport into a lifestyle hub, coupled with upcoming waterfront living at Kallang Avenue and Kampong Bugis, will further elevate the area's appeal and connectivity. The upcoming North-South Corridor, Singapore's first integrated transport corridor, will greatly improve island-wide connectivity, making commutes faster and smoother, and enhancing accessibility for tenants, visitors and residents. Meanwhile, nearby districts such as Kampong Glam and Bras Basah Bugis are evolving into vibrant lifestyle enclaves, blending heritage charm with new mixed-use spaces, offering unique cultural and retail experiences. From Aurea and the Golden Mile, enjoy front-row views of Kallang Basin, where water sports and activities animate the waterfront daily, turning everyday moments into premium waterfront experiences. Here, you are also part of the greater Marina Bay story, where cruises, sailing, sporting events and national celebrations create an exciting backdrop to urban living. The future holds even more excitement. Nearby, a series of landmark attractions are planned, including NS Square, the new 4th tower of Marina Bay Sands, a potential MICE hub at Marina Bay, and Therma Singapore, a world-class wellness destination. These will bring new activities, visitors and demand, raising the overall vibrancy and value of the precinct. Connectivity to nature is expanding too, with new parks and waterfront links, including 2 new bridges connecting Gardens by the Bay South and East, and connecting Marina Centre to Bay East Garden, enhancing recreational accessibility for residents. Across surrounding neighborhoods, over 22,000 new homes are being developed, building a lively, connected community that will support businesses and boost future value for early entrants. As one of the first developments to be transformed on Beach Road, Golden Mile Singapore's residents and businesses will benefit from first-mover advantage, positioning them at the forefront of a new era. Golden Mile Singapore, where heritage inspires the future, where transformation elevates everyday living, where you become part of the next great chapter of Singapore's cityscape.